Did you just open the new scanning software and you are unsure what to do? Welcome to the RF Eclipse system. In this video, we will go over a few simple things to get you started. We will cover things like logging in, navigating around Eclipse, and doing a basic search. First things first, let's log in. You may have done this already, but we can do a quick review. You have been provided a shortcut on your desktop. This will direct you to the login page. Simply double-click on the shortcut. Now to log in. You will be using the Windows login given to you by the RF. It is your email. First name, _ last name, @rfcuny.org. The password is the same one as you use to log onto your computer. Once you're set, click the login button. Now that we're in, the next section of this video is navigation around Eclipse. There are two main ways to explore through the categories in Eclipse. The first way is using the left panel that lists all of the categories. You can expand the folders by clicking on the arrows. If you need to, you can widen the panel to view the contents better. When you get to the final folder level, you will see the documents appear in the main panel of the workspace. And now the document you choose appears on the right. Another way to navigate through the workspace is using the Retrieve tab. By clicking on the tab, you open the middle pane in the workspace, essentially navigating through that area. To explore the CO employee category, double-click on its row. We will stick with finding Kermit the Frog, so we will double-click on the F folder, then finding his name amongst the other frogs listed. Once again, double-click. We want to see his driver's license, so enter the General Employment folder, and then by double-clicking the document, we open it up in our workspace. The next section is one that you may find yourself using often. It is the basic search function in Eclipse. If you have ever used any search engine such as Google or Bing, then you pretty much know how to use this already. One major difference is that Eclipse is searching for the metadata associated with the documents. We will touch on the metadata later in the video. To search, simply type in the keyword you are looking for in the search field as shown. Then you want to click on the search button or hit enter. The results render here in the center panel of the workspace. What we see here is a broad range of results when we simply search frog. Perhaps we are looking for Kermit's ID specifically. Let's try another search by adding ID as a keyword. So now we have all of the frog's ID documents come up in the search, which is good for this purpose. But let's say we needed to have an even more narrowed search. We're going to add another keyword, this time Kermit. Now we have pinpointed Kermit the Frog's ID document. When we open it, you can see the metadata at use here based on what we've searched for. The fields are filled in by the scanners and serve the purpose of indexing and identifying each and every one of the documents within the system. If you look at the fields, you can tell we search keywords using the last name, first name, and document name fields. Understanding these is very important for being able to find the documents you need in the Eclipse system. I hope you found this video useful for getting started in the RF Eclipse scanning system. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.